Nice, healthy, nutritious breakfast for whole family. Avocado egg salad for $3.55. Today's ingredients for breakfast for family of 4: eggs, natural yogurt, 2 avocados, and a bread roll. Okay, now we're gonna get the bread on the pan, keeping the heat low. Now, the eggs. I'm just going to rinse them under the water. Okay, now I'm gonna cut avocado. Again in small cubes. I'll just add the eggs. Yogurt. Let's see. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Avocado and egg crispy salad. Let's try. Delicious. You can use anything you have in your fridge as well, like tomatoes, spring onions. You can add salt, pepper, whatever you have. Delicious and healthy breakfast. Rolls, cottage cheese, tomato, cucumber, and spring onions. So first I'm going to put this cottage cheese into a bowl. I'm going to cut cucumber and some spring onions. First, give them a good wash. And I'm going to use not much. Now I'm gonna cut the spring onions. Now let's check the tomato. Yum, yum. Enjoy. Okay, so this is another breakfast idea for whole family. These are gonna be bananas, pancakes. Really nice. With the banana frozen like ice cream yogurt. I'm gonna mix the yogurt and the frozen bananas together to pour over the pancakes. So 3 eggs. .500 ml of milk. And bananas. I'm gonna use 2 bananas that I'm gonna blend everything in. I'm gonna blend everything together. One full glass and another glass of oats. And now that one banana that I had, I'm going to mash with a fork. Okay, now I'm going to blend everything. Now let's see. Yeah, that looks good. So now just add this one banana. Heat up the pan a little bit and keep the heat quite low. Minutes each side.